Right now, I'm going to show you how to install the LUXE Bidet. This is the Neo 120 Plus. This is a really easy one to install. The kit here comes with everything that you're going to need. So the first thing that you want to do is prep your toilet and get the toilet seat ready. So for this one, I've got a quick release toilet seat. So my seat just pops right off of there. Now the nice thing about the 120 Plus is that you don't have to take these bolts out completely. So you've got these bolts on the back of your toilet here. You just want to loosen those up. You don't have to take them all the way off. You just want them loose enough so that you can slide the bidet in place underneath there. So go ahead and loosen those bolts there. So the bolts are loose here and I can kind of pick them up and wiggle them around there. So that's all you need, right? Now this bidet here, these are the connecting pieces here that are going to slide into place here. So you're just going to lift up the bolts here and then you can slide these into place. And then you're just going to tighten the bolts back down. So it really is that simple. One thing that is actually helpful that you might want to do beforehand is connect the tube here to the back of the bidet, because this is how you're going to get your water in. You've also got a T-valve here that you'll connect to the water. So go ahead and get that connected there. So just screw that on the back of your bidet there. It does have this little wing nut tightener so that you can just even tighten it more into place there. So that is the really nice thing about this hose here. So that's on. Now we'll just get this into place here. Now you just want to kind of get it where you want it at the top of the toilet seat there, and now you can tighten these bolts again. Now the next step is you just want to go ahead and turn off the water, and then you can connect your T-valve to the water, and this is how you're going to get water to your bidet sprayer. Once you get the water connected here, you are ready to use your bidet. You've got two settings here. You've got nozzle clean and you've got wash. So this will actually use the bidet here when you turn it on the wash setting, and nozzle will drop down and spray. And then if you go to the nozzle clean, it will just drop down and clean itself. So it's a self-cleaning bidet. So it's really super easy to use, install. It comes with everything that you need. It's the LUXE Bidet. It's the Neo 120. You've got your warranty information here. You can go ahead and get registered for that. So it's got a 2-year warranty on it. We've got a couple of these LUXE bidets. We love them. They work really great. They're super easy to install, and we have not had any issues with them. So LUXE, in my opinion, makes a great product, and they're easy to work with if you ever have any issues. I've talked to customer service and they are really responsive. So there you go. Hopefully that was helpful.